Welcome back to Global English University. Many students ask me, how do I sound more professional and natural? The secret isn't just learning more words, it's choosing the right words. Today, we are upgrading 10 common English words to their native and natural alternatives to help you instantly level up your communication. 1. Wait, bear with me. Wait can sound like a command or even a bit rude in a professional setting. Bear with me is much more polite. It asks the other person for their patience while you finish a task. 2. Busy, swamped. Everyone is busy. If you want to emphasize that you have a massive amount of work, like being covered in water, say you are swamped. It shows you are at full capacity. 3. Up to last, up to snuff. Explain. Instead of saying something is up to the latest standard, native speakers use the idiom up to snuff. Use this when checking if a project or a student's work meets the required quality. 4. Understand, grasp. Explain. To understand is basic. To grasp an idea means you have firmly caught the concept in your mind. It implies a deeper level of comprehension. 5. Relax, unwind. Explain. After a long day at the college, you don't just sit down, you unwind. Think of it like a tight spring finally letting go of its tension. 6. Boring, tedious. Explain. If a task is not just boring, but long, repetitive, and tiring, like grading 100 exam papers, the professional word is tedious. 7. Dangerous, perilous. Explain. This is a high-level upgrade. Perilous describes a situation with serious risk. Use this in technical reports or formal discussions to add gravity to your point. 8. Difficult, challenging. Explain. In leadership, we don't like difficult problems, we like challenging ones. It turns a negative situation into an opportunity for growth and effort. 9. Finish, finalize. Explain. You finish a meal, but you finalize a contract or a research proposal. It implies completing the very last details to make it official. 10. Tired, exhausted. Explain. When you have zero energy left in your tank, tired isn't strong enough. You are exhausted. It conveys a much stronger physical and mental state. Which of these 10 upgrades was your favorite? Try using one in the comments below. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Global English University. Let's keep moving from basic to elite English together. I'll see you in the next lesson.